Okay, I would like to call, I would like to invite Master Ankit Yadav. Big clever one for Ankit Yadav.
Good morning and hello to everyone. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. And first I am introduce myself. I am Ankit Kumar Yadav. I have completed my 12th class from Kendriya Vidyalaya Push Vihar and with 3 subjects physics, chemistry, bio, and I am thankful to my parents and my life. I have completed my 12th class with same school from 1st to 12th. I have completed my schooling with my same friends and I am happy that I have completed my schooling with this life. And now I am here to I am here to tell you about something which I have studied, agriculture. I love in agriculture field. Even I have also filled a form in BSc agriculture. I will do many things in agriculture. Now I will tell you something about agriculture, many things. As we know, we all are know about agriculture. Agriculture is a field where each and everyone know about a small thing. As everyone say that agriculture is easy, it is a huge process. It is not about just dig a land and fill a seed that it will grow. It is a huge process of a 1 year, and many people do hard work. As I went to my village when I was 13, I have seen many things. I am inspired by my grandfather. He is very hardworking. Now he is 70 years old, and I have seen that how much he do hard work. And I have seen when I was 13, I have seen that he wake up every 5 a.m. morning and work hard, pray to God, and go to their farms and see what we have done. And he have done many things for my father and my family. And even my father do hard work, but I can say that me and my father not must do 10% of my grandfather as he must do now. And he is now 70 years old, and even he is not like that. He is not capable to do things. He is capable of doing things. As I have seen grow in many things. I have seen that we use ox and old things to use in our field, but now it's developed. We use tractors and many things. As I grow, I have seen many developments in agriculture field, and I have given my CUT exam, and after that I will try to get admission in IRI, which is situated in Pusa. After that, I'll do something like, so there are many fields in agriculture, soil, dairy, and after that, I'll go back to my grandfather and tell them that I have done something that which he has started from starting. And after that, I will do many things for him, and I wanted to be with him every time. And now I will in the last I will tell to everyone to go and visit IRI. As you know, you will know about the agriculture field. It is very easy. In the basic, you will know about many things. And thank you.